Hey guys, we're down at the Parmalee Bridge by Red Oak, and this is where everybody launches their canoes and kayaks, float tubes. And as you see, the river, it's actually gone down now, but this river flooded the whole parking lot. There's some safe ground to walk on. So the oldest sable is up over her banks. River etiquette. Yeah, it'd be a flash float today.
Yeah.
Oh, Ellie, get out of there. Come on, Ellie. Ellie. She's gonna sit on your lap.
I know. Ellie.
Now what'd she do to her leg? Dang it. Hop along, Ellie. Yeah, what'd she do? Get a muscle cramp? Oh no.